In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from Quick Access. Let's get started by opening File Explorer. You can do this easily by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar. Alternatively, if the icon isn't directly visible, you can search for it in your Start menu. File Explorer is essentially the tool where you can manage all the files and folders saved on your Windows computer. Once you have File Explorer open, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side. This is known as the Quick Access panel, a very handy feature that lets you pin commonly used folders so you can access them quickly without having to scour your entire file directory. Now, let's focus on finding OneDrive in this Quick Access list. Typically, OneDrive will be sitting among your frequently accessed folders, so look for it listed under sections like Documents or Downloads. It's identifiable by an icon that resembles a cloud, as it's Microsoft's cloud storage service. Once you've located OneDrive in the Quick Access menu, the next action is crucial. Right-click on it. This simple action will open up a context menu offering various options that enable you to manage how OneDrive integrates with your File Explorer. In this context menu, you'll see several choices, but the one you're focused on is the option labeled Unpin from Quick Access. By selecting this, you effectively remove OneDrive from appearing in the Quick Access panel. It's important to note that this step will not affect any of the files stored in your actual OneDrive account, nor does it disable the OneDrive service altogether. It merely removes the shortcut from this particular menu. And there you have it. After choosing Unpin from Quick Access, OneDrive will no longer be part of your Quick Access panel. You will have successfully streamlined that space without impacting your OneDrive service or its associated files. Taking this simple action can help keep your File Explorer organized and tailored to your personal workflow. As you navigate through this process, you might consider reviewing other items in your Quick Access list to ensure that it only includes what you truly need. Leveraging this feature effectively can significantly enhance your productivity and ease of file navigation. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need to make further adjustments or just need a quick refresher on managing your Quick Access. If you ever have any questions or require additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the community or consult available Microsoft support resources. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your files with ease.